Python random unique values from two non-overlapping ranges. As title says, 100 random unique values from two ranges, or to be more accurate, there is one range and a subrange that is excluded from valid values. Example: have a range from 0 to 10,000, random 100 numbers that are not in range 10 to 20. Requirements: the subrange can be at the very beginning or at the very end. Memory overhead to absolute minimum. Randomization as close to random.shuffle as possible. I know random.samples range 0,10000, 100 gives 100 unique values. Setup: I would store 3 values, start, end, total. Start equals start of subrange, end equals end of subrange, total equals the length of the range. Best I can come up with. Is this true random pseudorandom, or am I affecting it in any way?
This works until over 2 billion, easily beating the required upper limit of the number of Wikipedia English Wikipedia pages, so whatever many million that is smile. After that it gets overflow or a column Python int too large to convert to C size _t. I see no spike in memory usage of my PC and the result is instant. This is using Python 3, obviously.
Try the following function.
Just a slight variation of the original.
Another answerer earlier had a pretty cool idea of concatenating ranges together into a single sequence class. The code had some issues, but I managed to make a version that seems to work with random.sample. Obviously this class isn't perfect, but my only goal was to solve the problem with random.sample using a minimum memory footprint. In Python 2, zrin should be used instead of range.